What is going on, guys? So you're going to be seeing a couple of these videos on my channel coming up in the next couple of weeks. These are going to be recaps from the fellow Flyways Collective members, basically, and they're all going to do them. So there's going to be 5 of my videos being reviewed, one by each of the other Flyways Collective members. So I'll be doing one of these for Josh from Outdoor Limits, Elliot from Freelance Duck Hunting, Thomas from Virginia Outdoors Unlimited, Titus from Mid-Valley Mercenaries, and today I am doing Jordan from Duck Gun Chronicles. And basically just gonna watch their videos and kind of react as we go along, and hope you guys enjoy it. So let's get to it.
Take them.
So looks like a pretty great hunt. Oh, Jordan's doing the black screen kind of tease.
All right, folks.
Has some geese cupping in.
Got Swamp Man with me.
Hunting this
sketchiest.
Looks like some pretty thick mud, cattail marsh area.
We got
looks like a perfect day though.
We got 4 decoys
like
over here,
blizzard.
2 in front of us. Kind of hunting either side of this.
Only 6
Here's
decoys.
over here they like
but
to fly
sometimes
through,
that's all you need. You know?
We got the front stuff
you don't
over
need
here
a lot
as well,
of decoys
so,
every time.
Birds wearing it. We bumped some out. So we're gonna give it a whirl.
Said there was a few birds on
nice
it.
And snowy.
When they showed up.
See if I can fix that. There we go. You guys can see the snow or not, but it's coming down.
It's perfect day. Perfect day. Gosh dang. It's 100 degrees here today.
So we got.
I'm watching a snow hunt.
I don't even know. About an hour and 20 minutes shooting light. So
we're
gonna hunker down.
Hunt in the afternoon too.
Get ready for the birds to start trickling back and shoot our limit real quick. So stay tuned.
What's your predictions?
Man, it's the last week in the season. I'll be happy with.
Last weekend. Swamp Man saying 3.
My actual prediction is we'll shoot 2.
Jordan's saying 2.
I don't know if that's a.
Okay.
No, my actual, because I said earlier that we were going to limit real quick. So my actual prediction is not that we're both going to limit. It's that we're going to get a bird apiece.
Jordan's not having confidence in the limit prediction. Swamp Man has the confidence though. Right. That's the way to be when you're hunting. Always have that confidence. Oh, here one. All right. Here we go.
You see them? I don't see them. Oh, two coming in. They're coming hot. They're coming right in.
Oh man, you can just hear the excitement.
They're cupped in. They're cupped in.
I don't see them yet. Oh, there they are. Oh man.
Keep calling. Keep calling.
Oh man. Gosh.
Take them.
Nice.
I know. Oh, we did it, boy. Miss. No way.
Jordan had to trim the hedges there a little bit.
His head stuck in. I was trying to shoot his head.
Trim the cattails.
Oh, we did it, man. We got 2. They cupped it all the way. That's what we do it right there.
You can just hear the excitement. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh, that thing's still kicking, ain't it? Me too.
Oh, shot cam footage. This is so cool. I love these shot cam shots.
No, not even close.
Dude, we heard them honking. They came in perfect. This is literally the exact same time a pair came in yesterday. All right, I'm actually just gonna walk on my boat and grab them, I think.
Got the old yak out.
Really?
In a blizzard. That's hardcore. Picking them up. Well, they already met Jordan's limit, or Jordan's expectations.
For another pair. Dude, talk about doing it right.
Holy crap. They came in just right.
Oh man.
These birds cupped in the whole way. We heard them coming one honk. They still were hidden by the snow. Not much visibility, but they They locked up and cupped in the whole way. And freaking, they came right next to us. Me and Zach both popped one. It was awesome. There we go. So something I didn't mention is I didn't bring Chief today. I didn't know where we were gonna be sitting. Needed to keep it light and simple with the kayak. Honestly, I could have set him right here in the canoe and he would have been fine. So really wish I would have had him for those retrieves, but it wasn't too bad getting out in the boat. That's like the first retrieves I've made without a dog this year though. So I kind of feel a little bad now that I didn't bring them, but
Poor Chief.
yeah, poor Chief.
He's at home being
So yeah, but I just want to make sure we're gonna be all right setting up here and be concealed and not. This is a mucky marsh, and if you step in the right place, you just keep going. I mean the wrong place. So,
step in the right place.
So anyways, I'm gonna get off here. We got about 45 minutes left.
Stay tuned. Live action.
Live action. Oh, it's gotta be close to shooting. It's gotta be close. It's a lot darker now, or it's snowing heavier.
What the fuck, they're coming for?
Oh.
They're coming 11 o'clock. They're dropping, they're coming right in. Okay.
Oh man, oh my gosh. Cupped up beautifully. I think they got them all. Oh man. That was gorgeous.
Oh boy, let's go.
That was gorgeous.
I have one in my.
Oh.
Okay, I'm getting out there. I got a shell.
Oh crap. He's not hit very. No. I don't know if he's gonna get that one.
Perfect.
I couldn't turn my
Alright
car
folks,
on.
well that's a wrap on the hunt.
Is he
So
gone?
we had 4 come in, I don't even know, 10-15 minutes before shooting light was up, but
Oh,
I mean,
I wasn't far off.
we shot, all 4 went down, and so that was our limit. We got out there and started picking them up, and one actually got away, so
Oh.
that's unfortunate having the cripple there getting away. And really the other one got tucked up.
Oh man,
in the cattails,
that
and I couldn't
stinks.
find it. Zach saw where it went in and he was able to track it down. And then another one that was crippled, we didn't have finished, he jumped out of the canoe and just waddled up into the woods, and if we didn't have fresh snow I wouldn't have been able to find it. Here comes Swan.
Oh, swan. Those are always cool to see.
Yeah, it was a great hunt. Ending the season with some pretty decent hunts, you know?
Yeah.
So.
But we're kicking ourselves. I mean, both of us, we're the 2 guys in the group that have dogs. And we didn't bring them today. And we literally almost lost 3 geese because we didn't have dogs.
I did lose one.
Yeah.
That
So,
always sucks.
That's a lesson.
Always
I guess.
sucks.
I mean,
If you got dogs, bring them.
make it work. It'll be worth your while. So, so it's supposed to be snowy like this for I don't know,
Dang.
for a little bit here. So hopefully we can get on another snow hunt and end the season strong.
That
so
is
anyways,
beautiful
that's all we
weather,
got for
though.
today. I'm Jordan.
Man.
Duck Gun Chronicles. Got the swamp man with me.
This isn't good for my
Swamp
duck
Man.
depression.
Swamp man with me, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Let's go.
Not a bad hunt. That's a pretty good hunt. And they decoyed great. Man. Oh, look at that slow B-roll. Hoo-hoo. But yeah, that's kind of what you guys can expect from these. You know, we're just gonna kind of look at each other's videos and react to them in live action, like they said in there. And, you know, maybe throw in some smart aleck comments, have some laughs, kind of break down some stuff, just kind of give our initial reactions while we're watching it. And there'll be 4 more of these coming out. You know, we're going to do one for all the Flyways Collective members, and if you want to see my videos being broken down, they're going to be on all their channels as well. So, but leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Drop a comment, let me know what your guys' thoughts are. Are you enjoying these? Let me know down below. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and then go over and check out Jordan's channel, Duck Gun Chronicles. Give him a subscribe too, I guess, and we'll catch you out there. See ya.